Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Exness. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Binance application. Once you have logged into your Binance account, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Now here you need to tap on the Send button and select withdrawal method, so simply tap on the on-chain withdraw. Now in the search bar, search for USDT and select Tether. After that, you will be landed on this Send USDT page. Here you will need to paste your Exness depositing address, selection of network, and the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Exness global account. Now, in order to get the address, you just need to simply minimize your Binance and open your Exness global application. Now, once you have logged into your Exness global application, you just need to simply tap on the deposit button, and here you need to choose payment method. So simply tap on the crypto wallet. After that, you will be landed on this crypto wallet page. Here you can see all the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. So scroll down, you will see USDT on two different networks. First one is ERC20 and the second one is TRC20. So I'm gonna receive this on TRC20. So simply tap deposit. After that, click on this continue button, and here you can see your USDT Tron wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address, and it says we will only accept for this deposit USDT on Tron network. After copying, reopen your Binance application and paste this address in this address bar. After that, select a network Tron TRC20 and make sure you have selected same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. After that, enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Exness global application. Once you've filled all this information, simply click on the withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Binance to Exness global. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Exness. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.